Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nazmul Hassan. I am from Narayanganj. I have completed my secondary school certificate from Chodangonda Ghulam Mohammad High School. Also, I have completed my higher secondary school certificate from Abdul Qadir Mullah City College. Currently, I am doing Bachelor of Business Administration at Daffodil International University. There are several reasons which give me confidence that I am doing my best in this subject and for make ever successful career. I am a hardworking and dedicated person. I have excellent communication skills. I am always interested to work in group. I can easily communicate with group or people. I believe that if I get chance to work in company, I have ability to make profit for a company. I can speak 3 languages: Bangla, English and Hindi. Traveling, cricket and reading book is my favorite hobby. I have some IT skill such as MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, which helped me to cover my university activities such as presentation, assignment. I am involved in different kinds of club at my university where I have experience as a volunteer work. Also, I have participated in different kinds of cultural program in our university. I have completed 6-month digital marketing course and where I have experience on Fiverr and Upwork. Beside my studies, currently I am doing online business. I have passion to be an entrepreneur. Currently, I am looking for opportunity where I can apply my skill and continue learning in professional environment. Thank you for watching my video resume and I am looking forward to connecting with you.